Okay, today I'm gonna try and install a RubberMaid and ClosetMaid shoe rack shelving. The walls are painted. We got the walls all painted, and it's painted a kind of a silver white paint. We tried to match the living room, but we're gonna hang our ClosetMaid and RubberMaid shoe rack on this wall. We marked the wall at 3 feet. We want the shoe rack part of the shelving to be 3 feet off from the bottom, so we have enough clearance for some of the shoes. We put our first rail on, and I want that to be 7 inches from the top of the molding. So we'll make sure all our racks are 7 inches from the top of the molding, and we mark our 3-foot spot to give us clear. I have a 4-inch anchor bolt or molly bolt, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to put that into the wall here. So we're going to set that into the wall, and we're going to hang our 30-inch rail for the RubberMaid. So we're going to push our 2 anchors into the wall. I'm going to push the bottom one down into the wall and then tighten it down. So all the rail supports are on, and we fasten them all to the wall with anchor bolts, mollies, and we're going to put our 4-foot and the rest of our... Okay, so we've got the 3-foot shoe rack and the 2 26-inch shoe racks. Okay, here's our complete storage system. We got the 3-foot, the shoe racks, 26-inch, 2 of them, and 2 here. The large 4-foot storage shelf, the hanging basket, and the coat rack, all installed in this tiny room. You got the other part of the shoe rack. The wooden shoe rack is below, and the big shoe rack there, all on the wall.